Hi everyone, this is Martin. I wanted to propose you to play a little game before we start to get creative. Imagine you have a wonderful gift in your hand. You want to hand it over to someone. As soon as the person gets it, it can be whatever you like. Hand it over to someone and say something nice. For example, thank you for making me smile before. The person who gets your gift could say thank you and unwrapped it, what it is. While the person who received the gift did a shower. Now this is your turn and pass on the gift. You can take turns until everybody has gotten a gift. And now we were wondering if you still had some question regarding the corona. Is there something that you would like to know? Send us a WhatsApp and other epidemiologist and public health expert will answer. Our answer will be ready by next week hopefully. Hope that you enjoyed our warm-up session. And now we'll go meet our incredible friend Deborah, who always has amazing ideas in store for us. Enjoy.
Thank you, Martin. Hello, everybody. My name is Deborah, and I am going to show you today how to make a little vase like this, made out of milk carton boxes. And if you have one of these, if you eat avocado this week, do not throw the seeds away, because I'm going to show you how to plant, how to have your own avocado plant. And so, do you want to make one of these with me? This is what you're gonna need. One box, a milk box, some paint. I'm gonna use normal acrylic paint. If you don't have acrylic or paint in your house, you can also use paper. So I have all of my colored papers here. And I'm going to use scissors and a cutter to cut the box, and you might need an adult to help you with that. And then a brush and some tape, and if you have things that you want to use to decorate, you can use that too. So the first thing I did was to wash, so to just really throw water inside and shake and wash it really well. And now I'm going to remove this upper part here that I won't be using with my cutter. So if you are using a cutter, please ask an adult to help you, okay? Now I am going to get a black pen, and I'm going to draw the shape that I want my vase to have, because I want this vase to have a bear shape. So I'm going to draw here a little ear, another ear here, like this. Yeah, and then I'm just gonna mark around so I know more or less. Doesn't have to be perfect, but just so you know where to cut. Then here we go, I'm gonna get the cutter again, and you should find an adult to help you. Do you see how hard it is sometimes? Yeah. So, because it's tough here, I'm going to just cut like this normally, and then I'll come back and do the shape afterwards. Woo! There we have it. Okay, now to make this, because it was too hard for me to do with my cutter, I'm going to do with a scissor. Let's see if it works. I think it will work. There's always the possibility that if you couldn't cut here, you can just make some ears made of paper and then glue on top. Now I'm going to paint. Leave it like this. To dry. Let's wait for it to dry. Now that my box is dry and looking really cute, I'm going to draw a little carton in it. And I'm gonna do a mix of paper and pens. So I want to do two little things for the ears here. I'm gonna use this paper. So I'm gonna do super freehand, okay? So I'm gonna cut a piece of paper like this. And then I'm gonna cut it in the middle. Let's see if this is gonna work. And I'm gonna do one. Yay! Yeah, this looks cool. I'm just gonna put some glue in it. I think it works. Let's see. Put the glue here. Glue. There you go. We have 2 ears. That's so cool. Now I also want to do like a tiny belly here for him. I'm gonna use the same color. Now I'm gonna get my black pen and I'm gonna draw on top of it. You can do everything by paper also if you like, right? The eyes, the mouth. I'm gonna do a drawing like this. And then this is a nose. And there you go. I'm gonna do also a little detail here. Another one here. And our vase is ready. If you want, you can add some details on the sides as well. For instance, you can add his arms. Okay, and our vase is ready. So now, for those of you who have avocado seed, I'm going to show you how to plant them in this vase. To use this vase for your avocado seed. And it's very easy. The first thing you do is to let it dry, of course. And then you're gonna slowly remove all of this skin, like this, very carefully. You remove everything until it looks like this. So now this is probably where the root is gonna come out for the seed. And then do you see that we have this? There are these lines around the avocado, the seed. So normally we have 2 or 3. I have 1 here, 2, and I have another one here. I guess it's the same one. Yes. So I have those 2. Normally they have 2 or 3, so that's probably where the seed is going to open. So you have to be careful not to touch there. And then you are going to need 3 of those. I'm gonna cut mine because mine are really big. We get our seed. Remember that this part stays down and we don't touch these lines here. This line And this one, see? So we have to put these peaks like maybe here, and then we put in a 45-degree angle like this. One. See? And then another one here. And then I have to be careful. I have to be careful. There's another one here, another one there. See? They're really close, those two. So I'm gonna put another one here. Let's see if this is gonna work. Then we can test just by placing it like this. See, mine is not completely working, but it's okay. Then you get a glass of water or a bit of water and you pour it. And that's it. You're gonna have your trees. Sometimes it takes, like for mine, it took 4 to 5 weeks to grow. But now if you are on the northern hemisphere, that means that it's getting hotter where you are, and then your seed is probably gonna grow. And so just leave half of it on the water like this and wait to see what happens. And if the water gets green, you change the water. Okay. I hope you had fun creating your milk box vase. Please share the ones that you create with us with the hashtag #BestDecoration. And as always, we'd love to see what you come up with. And have patience for your plant, because it takes a long time for them to grow, but they do grow and they are beautiful. And so thank you everybody. I will see you very soon. And now we go back to Martin with a very nice relaxation exercise. Go, Martin.
Thank you, Deborah, for this amazing activity. As it becomes a tradition, at the end of our videos, we're going to propose you a little relaxation exercise. We're going to do it together. It's very simple. You're going to stand up or sit straight. It's very important. You're going to start by inhale to the deepest. And stomp your foot on the ground. And exhale. Let's do it again. Take the time to do it for several minutes, and don't hesitate to take a moment to acknowledge how you are feeling, the connection with your feet on the ground, the movement of your breathing in and out. Don't hesitate to do that several minutes, and I hope you find some good relaxation. See you very soon. Goodbye.